Which one of the following is or are among the fundamental duties laid down in the Constitution of India? Came in 2012. To preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect the weaker sections from social injustice, to develop scientific temper and spirit of inquiry, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. What's the choices below? The correct answer in front of the screen. Now, C. Okay. To preserve the rich and let's go first each choices individually. All right. Just 1 second, guys. To preserve the rich heritage of a composite culture. This comes under F. Sorry. Article. Please. This is slightly important. 51A F. Okay. To protect the weaker sections from social injustice. And that's not mentioned anywhere. This is not an FT. To develop scientific temper and a spirit of inquiry. (51AH). To strive towards excellence in all spheres of collective activity. Last one. Collective activity. इसको मैं पूरा पढ़ देता हूँ. The entire article says. Entire article regarding this fundamental duty says. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. This is the entire thing. They just shortened it for the fourth answer choice, probably to save paper for all we know. (51AJ). F, H and J. Okay? So this one is not a fundamental duty. So answer choices are 1, 3 and 4. Alright. I'll give you guys a couple of seconds, kindly jot it down. Nice and simple answer. Move on to the next one after that.